Something strange is happening in Nigeria politics, and it is not being discussed loudly enough. ADC insiders are now openly saying something many people suspected but few admitted. The ticket was supposed to go to an Igbo man, but it was given to Atiku from the north. At the same time, ADC insists they will not zone their tickets, and suddenly, rumors begin to spread. Pressure is mounting on Peter Obi to accept Vice President to Atiku. Coincidence, or is this the oldest political playbook in Nigeria being reopened once again? Let us slow this down. When a party insider says the ticket was meant for an Igbo man, that is not a slip of tongue. That is a confession. It tells us three things. 1. The Southeast was considered, but not trusted. 2. Zoning was discussed, then